I wasn't really trying to vlog. Obviously my little bro just pulled up, and then for some reason he doesn't want to go in gear, you know, try to ring a few people and whatnot. Tell a lie, it goes in first gear, but it doesn't want to go neutral or whatever. So I said to him, we're definitely going to get pulled over. I'm gonna, because he's got like obviously the stump pegs, so I'm going to try to push over my foot. So it looks, yeah, it looks mad still. I've got no fuel as well. I was literally meant to be out like 10 minutes, if that. So I thought, it is what it is. We're gonna try and get back home. I don't know how we're gonna do that. I'll do the top one, innit? I'll do the top one. That's crazy, bro. Is it still in first gear? Hold your clutch in, 'cause I don't want to blow your you know. Hold your clutch in, innit? I don't want to blow. Huh? No, just keep your clutch in, innit? Hold your clutch in. That is some crazy shit, bro. I don't know how these man do it, bro. Huh? No, just keep it in it. That is fucked, fam. That is fucked. Let these lot go in it. So obviously he's got the first gear, but overnight, yeah, I got. Keep going, keep going. Yeah, it's making some rattling noise and everything. I don't know how these lot do it, man. I want to try to do it again. Side twist and a half. I don't know how these lot do it, man. Going, man. Yeah, just put your clutch and let it roll. Yeah, man. It's a nice, beautiful day, and then side quest again, boys. So we're just, you know, just messing about with the drone, or just trying to get some content, or whatever you want to call it. And then literally we just finished up, packed everything away, tried to pull off, stop making like a weird rattling noise and everything. So yeah, it just mashed up, boys. So we're just rolling back home, and then I was literally meant to be out for like a couple of minutes, but it is what it is. We literally got to like maybe what, bottom of the hill, and the back wheel just locked up. So I thought, never mind. I think we got a van man coming as well. So I don't know, boys, I don't know. Gonna wait for him to turn up, hopefully save the day. It's been a nightmare as well. Yeah, the plan was working alright until it didn't. Oh man, what a day. Bikelife, boys. Oh man, I think it's starting to rain as well, so it's long. I hope my guy's just gonna turn up quickly, load up in the van, and then we can just go home. Brother, do you want a pink slip? Oh, we can't even do pink slips no more with the Benelli until we find out what's wrong with it. I think I know what's wrong with it. I think the gearbox failed because it's making a weird, like a rattling noise into the gearbox. So it's saying it's a neutral, and then once you let go of the clutch, it's like it wants to go, then it just stalls. Obviously, with it being that kind of bike, the bike won't start until it's in neutral. So it's long, absolutely long, boys. Van man, I am fucking beeping now. Do you know who I am? Anyway, we've got a van man sorted. It's been a mission. It's just one of those ones, boys. Stuff happens. I'm gonna get off home. See you guys in a sec. basically what's happened, we were just chilling, and then nothing crazy, we were literally just chilling, just making a bit of a content for the Instagram, whatever. And then we were just about to pull off, and then it made like his bike made like a crunching noise. I was like, oh, that didn't sound good, you know, thought nothing of it. And we're about to pull off again, and it made like the crunching noise again, but this time it was stuck in gear. So only gears would work was the first gear neutral, and that's it. It wouldn't go up. Just one of that one. So we tried to get hold of a few people to try to come pick us up. Obviously the time it was kind of like just one of them ones, a bit busy, whatever. So we thought, you know, try to push it back home with my foot. It was a mission, I can't lie, it was absolutely a mission. I don't know how these lot do it, them flipping rats. But anyway, cruising down the hill, and the next thing I know is back wheel just locks up. I was thinking, what's this guy doing? And then he just said it wasn't him, it's just a bike. So we tried to get up the curb. I had to lift the back of the bike up because the wheel wasn't trying to spin. Just some mad stuff. So shout out to the people though, man, who just pulled up, helped me out. It's just a long side quest. It is what it is, you know, stuff happens. So right now I'm just on the way home. My fuel light was flashing at me. Brother, not good. You know, one of the ones here, you're gonna go out for 10-20 minutes max, and then I've been out for like 4 hours. Long. Come on, boys. Another thing as well, I've realised that my tyres are flat. So obviously I went up to the pet station and I checked the tyre pressure. Oh my god, boys, I was so low, it was crazy. But I've been riding like that for a minute. And obviously I got used to the bike with that kind of tyre pressure. So when I pumped them up, the bike felt weird, like it was just weird. Absolutely banging weather, but stuff just went downhill quick. The Benelli is going to get dropped off back home, and then I don't know, I might make a video, I don't know, just see what's what. Obviously I know definitely the gearbox is gone because it started leaking afterwards, some rattling noises. I don't know what happened to it. We won't find out until obviously we take the bike apart. Weather's like this, you know, you want to get the bike out. I mean, don't get me wrong, do you know what the maddest thing is here? I understand if it was like doing something stupid or silly or whatever you want to call it. Well, like I said, we're just chilling, we've got the drone out and everything, you know, making some hovering content, you know how it is with a drone. And then just something happened, we thought, you know, let's just go home now. And then as soon as we were about to pull off, it just mangled. Brother. Oh, stop it. I can't have gone too far. The sun's shining on my face and my eyes, and I can't see the traffic light. So I'm going to try to keep an eye out on the baby cakes here. When she pulls off, I'll pull off too. There we go. Brother, very dangerous. Well, luckily it wasn't too far though. It's not that bad. It was alright though. It could be raining. It'd just be a different kind of story then, wouldn't it? Wet like a dog. The maddest thing as well, like, I brought my camera with me. I mean, I always do when I go out on the bike. For some reason, I got the camera, but it wasn't recording. So much happened within like first 10-20 minutes here. I didn't get none of it on camera. Looking out, someone's crib smoking or something on barbecue. You got a barbecue? Nice barbecue. Come on, see what I mean? Boys doing barbecues and that. Barbecues. Want a race, Grandma? Doing a race? Nah, she ain't feeling it, bro. She wasn't feeling it. She looked at me like, are you talking to? Come on, the sun's out, boys. Come on. I cannot be happy. Stuff happens, right? Brother. Whoa, I'm chilling now, boys. Oh my god, I've got another thing I want to talk about as well. I don't know if it's just me or anyway, if you lot watched my previous video, went to the Peak District ride. Obviously so much stuff going on right now. Some issue with the fuel. And obviously, I don't know about some people, but me, I always, and I mean always, like to put V-power in this. So, same again, I was running low on fuel here. Get to the petrol station, and the only thing is that E10. I was like, no, I don't really want to do it. You know, I'm not really a fan of that E10, but some people, oh, it's alright, I put it in my car, bike, push bike, motorcycle, unicycle, whatever. And as soon as I pulled it in, right, I'm driving back home, I'm riding back home, my bike starts moving a bit weird, like, it starts spluttering, you know, she was juddering a lot. I was trying to hold the rev in a certain place, and she was like, just jumping, bouncing all over the shop. And I knew it instantly was the crappy fuel. So, it might be just me, but if you had the same issue, let me down in the comment section. But that E10 stuff, I am never ever putting that stuff in this bike ever again. It was so crap. It really was crap. Obviously, this is one of the first videos you've seen. Smash the subscribe, like, share, comment. Have a look at the channel as well. I mean, we're literally just chilling today. But before I end it here, I'm going to put some of the drone footage to show you guys the kind of stuff we've been trying to do. Just one of the ones, boys. So I'm going to cut here. I'm going to let you lot watch the drone footage. Just smash like, so yeah, subscribe and all the good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one.